Hello students, welcome to class PM. In today's class we are going to discuss about how atomic size changes in the periods and the groups of the modern periodic table. Let's see that. So in the period, if we move from the left to right, atomic size gradually decreases. So we know that when you move from left to right, what's happening? Atomic number is increased by 1 unit, so that the number of electrons also increasing, you move from left to right. But the newly coming electron is joining into the same shell. We'll take the second period. If you take the second period, we know that in the second period we have lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. These are the elements of present. So as you are moving from lithium to neon, atomic size is gradually decreases. Why? Because here you should get a doubt that when you are going from left to right, the number of electrons are increasing. So number of electrons are increasing. By why atomic size is decreasing? Because the newly coming electrons are joining into the same valency shell. We know that in the second period elements are having only two main shells, that is K shell, L shell. So in the lithium, there is one electron is present in the L shell and two electrons are present in the K shell. So when it comes to the beryllium, the newly coming fourth electron is joining into L shell. When you move to the boron, the newly coming electron, that is fifth electron, is joining into the same L shell. In the carbon also, the newly coming electron is joining into same shell. Same nitrogen 7th electron, oxygen 8th electron, fluorine 9th electron, neon 10th electrons also joining into the same L shell. So what's happening here? On the nucleus, number of protons also increasing from 3 to 10. But the main shell is same main shell. That's why, since effective nuclear charge increases on the L shell because of gradual increase of the number of protons, but electrons also increasing, but those electrons are joining into the same L shell. That L shell is having same distance from the nucleus, so that the effective nuclear charge increases from left to right as you move in the period. That's why what's happening? The last electron will come close to the nucleus, so that atomic size decreases. Because of this reason, atomic size decreases when you move left to right in the periods. Next, groups. How atomic size changes in the groups? Atomic size increases in the groups when you come from the top to bottom, because the newly coming electron is joining into the new shell. For example, if you take the first group, in the hydrogen there is a one electron that is in K shell. In the lithium, the newly coming third electron is coming into L shell. Next to sodium, which is in the same group, third element. The newly coming electron is joining into new shell, that is M. Next to potassium, the newly coming electron joining into N shell. K, L, M, N, O, P. So every element in that group is having new extra shell. So whenever extra shell is coming, what happening? You are going away from the nucleus, so that atomic size increases. That's why in the groups atomic size increases, in the periods atomic size decreases in the modern periodic table.